Honey, I'm a perfect 10. 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 Whoa.
Hi everyone! Welcome po sa aking channel. Ako po si Tambi Freile. So kung bago ka sa channel ko, please consider subscribing. I-press mo lang yan red button sa baba and also press the notification bell button para every time na may uploads ako, notified ka. So for today's video, as you can see, ayan, gumawa ako ng makeup tutorial na pang Halloween. Hindi siya ganun ka-creepy, pero cute. Ayoko nung medyo nakakatakot. Gusto ko cute pa rin yung kalalabasan. And feeling ko naman na-achieve ko yung look na gusto ko and may pinagayahan ako nito. So, ginaya ko siya sa Pinterest and ito yung itsura niya. May mga details lang na hindi ko masyadong na-achieve katulad nito. Hindi na ako naglagay dito sa part na to kasi parang medyo mahirap. So, without further ado, kung gusto mong malaman kung paano ko ginawa tong makeup tutorial na to, please keep on watching.
Could we stay in? Honey, I'm a perfect 10. What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Oh, can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia? Darling, I'm just so fed up with these expectations. They keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa. And if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to see. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. 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 Whoa. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. 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 Oh, yeah, I've discussed it with myself, and I'm disgusted with the way we're told to have a certain face, a certain weight, because we aren't pixels on a screen. No, we're human, we breathe. Every single thing we see curated, it's overrated. These expectations, they keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa. And if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to think. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. 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 What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Oh, can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia? Darling, I'm just so fed up with these expectations. They keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa. And if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to see. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. 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 Whoa. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect expectations, they keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, and if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to think, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Oh, can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia? Darling, I'm just so fed up with these expectations. They keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, and if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to see, honey, I'm a perfect 10. 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 Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. 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 Oh, yeah, I've discussed it with myself, and I'm disgusted with the way we're told to have a certain face. I stood and wait because we aren't pixels on a screen. No, we're human, we breathe. Every single thing we see curated, it's overrated. These expectations, they keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, and if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to think, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10.
So, tapos na yung ating makeup video. Nagdagdag lang ako ng choker kasi parang medyo bagay yung choker dito sa look na to. Sobrang nag-enjoy ako dito sa makeup look na to. Hindi ko akalain na magiging ganito ka-cute yung kalalabasan niya. So, hindi naman siya ganun kahirap. Hindi rin naman siya ganun kadali, diba? So, sakto lang. So, kung nagustuhan mo tong video na to, please consider subscribing. I-press mo lang yung red button sa baba and also press the notification bell button para every time na may uploads ako, notified ka. So, wag mo kalimutang i-like tong video na to, ha. So, yun lang. See you again on my next video. Bye!
Could we stay